Hi guys, well, we're on the beach. We made it to the Mediterranean Ocean. If you're a big windsurfing fan, I would recommend camping Aquarius. It's about 100 meters to there. We're in Morocco! Hi, good morning. Welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. If you are following our adventure, we're on our way to Morocco now. We are currently in France. We're going to be leaving France today and we are heading towards Spain, a little town called Calera. Then we're going to be going to Barcelona and Valencia over the next 3 days, and see you on the road. A little campsite, very small, camping Oliver. If you're in the area of Summaries, then nice little pleasant campsite, nice friendly staff, the lady's quite friendly, lovely countryside with all the vineyards and the avenues with the trees. Port de Set. Beautiful little town. We're going to be back here in 3 or 4 weeks. Amazing bridge. Not so good on the knobblies. Nice views. We will join up with those views in a few weeks. If you are joining the ride with us, we're coming back on the ferry from Nador to Set. Looks quite picturesque if you're a boat lover, if you're a water lover. Look at that boat, what a beauty. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. Welcome to España! So we're about 20 minutes or so away from the campsite. How cool is that? 100% rural. Such a cool little town, this. So we're going to be shortly arriving in camping Aquarius. The guy on the phone said it's 15 euros. I've made it to the campsite at camping Aquarius. Pretty nice campsite. It's got everything you need. Tomorrow morning, pack up everything. We're going to drive down to Barcelona. Until then, cheers from Spain. Hi guys, well, we're on the beach. We made it to the Mediterranean Ocean. If you're a big windsurfing fan, I would recommend camping Aquarius. It's about 100 meters to there. Good evening, welcome back to the channel. We traveled from France, a place called Nimes, and we traveled to Calera. And we're camping in a place called Camping Aquarius. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.